Well, that was a very unusual plane we've just seen here tonight anyway. And that was the Ryanair Boeing 737 we've just seen coming over tonight anyway. So yeah, obviously this is the second aircraft we've just seen anyway. Which as you can tell, that was the Ryanair Boeing 737-800 that was anyway. Which as you can see, the registration is EI-EKO, that is. And as you can see, the flight number, as you can see here, the call sign here is RYR42AB, that is anyway. So as you can see, just you can see it from here, it was literally about 9,000 feet. He was literally just about 9,000 feet from here anyway. So he's literally came here just about 900 feet anyway. Whereas to start with, he was literally probably about 100,000 feet anyway. So yeah, it was literally from here. It was literally about 100,000 feet from here anyway. It's very unusual though, because normally we don't really see the Ryanair Boeing 737 normally though, but obviously because of it, because normally we don't really see the Ryanair Boeing 737 that much though, to be honest. But anyway, let's have a look where it's come from anyway. Let's have a look where that plane's come from anyway. There we go. This is where it's just took off from anyway. Just took off somewhere probably near Faro Airport, I believe anyway. It's just literally just took off at Faro Airport, I believe anyway. This is where it came out from anyway. It's literally just came from all the way from Faro Airport, and as you can see here, look, it's just bound to descend over to Tanuki Airport, I believe anyway. It's just now going over to Tanuki Airport by the looks of it. For Go Plane Friday, he should be on there. And there it is, and there's the flight number there. It's FR9225, that is. As you can see, it's going from Faro and into Tanuki Airport, which that's probably where it's going to anyway. It's just bound to go over to Tanuki Airport, I believe anyway. The Ryanair Boeing 737, that is anyway, which I believe that's now going into Tanuki Airport, I believe anyway. Which unfortunately we might not be able to see the takeoff for it, but obviously because we may not get to see the takeoff anyway. So yeah, as you can see, the feet, it's just now dropping down a feet anyway, as it's now creasing over to Tanuki Airport anyway. It's just now directly going over to Tanuki Airport anyway, and then hopefully after that it should be going back to where it came from. It's probably Faro Airport, which is in Spain. So yeah, hopefully it should be going back to where it's come from anyway, which is Faro Airport anyway. It's literally, occasionally, he's only done a slow pass anyway, you know. It's only done occasionally like a slow pass for me anyway. So yeah, where I'm from today, he's literally just only done a slow pass anyway. And as you can see, this is where it came all the way from anyway, all the way from Faro Airport, which is near, as you can see, there's Portugal. That's where it came from anyway, Faro Airport in Spain. By the looks of it, it's come from all the way from Faro Airport and into Cornwall Airport, Tanuki, and into Cornwall, as you can see, which is now going into Tanuki Airport for tonight, I believe anyway, because this is why, because with Tanuki Airport flights, they've got the Ryanair Boeing 737 back in action anyway, for some reason. Which I think, to be fair, we have seen the Ryanair like so many times before anyway. But it's just because, you know, normally because normally we do normally see the Boeing 737 Ryanair normally, because normally this aircraft we occasionally see is the Ryanair Boeing 737 that this plane we normally see anyway. It's the Ryanair Boeing 737, which this one we normally see apparently. Sometimes we do see it over the summer holidays or spring anyway. This is where we do occasionally see this plane from anyway. And it looks like it's about to go to Tanuki Airport right now, I believe anyway. It's bound to be going over to Tanuki Airport. Okay, so yep, hopefully it should be going back, hopefully at Faro Airport very soon, hopefully, which we might not get to see a flight back of it very soon, hopefully. But obviously we may not get to see a flight back, but I don't know yet, because it might be going at the other direction, I suppose anyway. Probably heading similar back to Faro Airport, I believe anyway. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.